You know, man, I've been doing a whole lot of thinking lately, and I think I want to put this thing back together and make a street truck out of it. 2 seats, we can drive, go wherever we want to go, have some heat.
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Clayton?
Oh, yeah. What do you think, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
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 So starting the process of putting this truck back to street. It's been stripped for a while, but we don't get out to play with it as much as we'd really like. And in order to enjoy it, we'd like some heat and some creature comfort. So we're gonna put this thing back to a street truck. It's where it can track every now and again, but mainly street. So first things first, we're gonna get the seat out of it, the seat belts out of it, the 8-speed swap control mods and all that wiring out of it. Sarah's over there right now cleaning the carpet, so it's gonna look mint as it goes back in. But that's what we're gonna do. Get this stuff out, get the stock stuff back in, and go on about our business. So we just got most of the truck put back together. The carpet's in, the soundproofing's in, the kick panels are in, the whole dash is put back together, speakers are in, rear panels, rear upholstery, majority of it's back together. All that's left is the door panels, which we're waiting on new speakers, and the center console, which is what we're about to go do now. We're about to go see our buddy Bill down in Montgomery and pick up a super sweet 2021 Durango RT center console with a shifter, with electric charging, like wireless charging. We're gonna go get that and get it in this thing mocked up, make sure it's gonna work for us. Might have to do some fitting, but should be sleek. Just making our last turn in here to our buddy Bill's. Just got off the phone with him. He said he left the shop door open. He had to go take care of something real quick. So our center console's right inside the door. We're pulling in here just now. I'm so excited about what this console is going to look like. I don't think it's been done before. It's something special. I'm so ready to go see. Let's go check it out. I expected to see a console, not something like this. Looks like a 64 Fairlane 500, 289 special. What this thing is sleek. V8, retro AC, everything's updated up front, aluminum radiator. Man. Fresh upholstery, modern converted stereo. That thing's tight. New carpet. Dyno-matted front to back. It's still got the factory fold-up rear-facing bench in the back. Brand new dual exhaust Flowmasters. Receiver hitch. Where you can tow your camper with you. Thing's sweet. So here it is, what we came for, our 2021 Durango center console, fresh with a shifter in it. Called our buddy Bill. He had exactly what we needed. I think he has exactly what we need over here too, but we'll get back to that. This console is going to be great. I've got 12 volts in it, USB ports in the back, USB ports in the front, cup holders, the shifter, and it's gonna tuck right in where our cup holders are now. I think it's gonna be sweet. Can't wait to get it home. Did you know this car's for sale? Comment down below if you'd like to know more. All right, let's get out of here. Just got back from our buddy Bill's in Montgomery with our new console. Let's go see how it fits. That's perfect. Even if that was further forwards where it's gonna be, that's epic. I think I'm gonna love the fitment. It's not too high. It's like, it's gonna come down. We're gonna cut these tabs off, fit it right up inside of here. Dude, I think we're onto something for sure. Even for taller drivers. Even for shorter drivers. Babe, you're not gonna have a problem. It's comfy.
The chair isn't.